Hey, Dana Williams here from the Tig Tig Realty team at Remax Fine Properties. I am standing here at 10 Preston Court in Sugar Land, Texas. This is a beautiful, over 6,000 square foot house, 5 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms with a pool and everything else you could possibly want in Commonwealth Estates. Let me show you my 3 favorite things. Okay, let's go check out my 3 favorite things. First up, look at this space in here. You've got your dining room to the left, on to this kitchen. This made the list. There's ample counter space, plenty of room for gathering, for cooking. I'm just imagining a fantastic Thanksgiving dinner being prepped right in here. Room for a bar, coffee bar, and overlooking the family room, which connects to a formal living room. This is an amazing space. P.S. The family room overlooks this sparkling pool. Okay, the bedrooms, all 5 of them, are huge in this home. But I gotta show you the primary bathroom. You could have a dance party in here. Also, I just wanted to point out that that's a closet, that's a water closet, that's a closet, walk-in closet, and that's a walk-in closet. And look at all of this storage. It's a dream. Headed upstairs. I'm having a hard time keeping this one to 3, but I'm gonna try my best. You might walk in here and think that this is a primary bathroom, but no, this is one of the secondary bathrooms upstairs. Garden tub, really, really nice. And before I let you go, there's an open, perhaps a game room, office space, and something kind of unusual for this area, a 3rd floor that goes up to, I don't know, it could be a game room, could be a media room, whatever you fancy. This home has a ton to offer. So come on out this afternoon. I'll be here from 2 to 4. And you can come and check out all the things I didn't get to show you. See you then.